Hey friends, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be more of a vlog style again. I know a lot of you all have been liking these. We have to get some plants, decorate the front porch with Mama. You'll get to sort of kind of meet her for a little bit. And then we have to run over to my friend's house, get some free junk, and then go get more junk at the thrift store. So stick around and see what all we do today.
Things.
Y'all, we are back over at my best friend Tevis's house. I will list the video in the cards above of my free finds from friends video where she gave me a bunch of free junk and she gave me some more, so you'll see some sneak peeks of that here in this video. Her yard sale went on for a couple of days. She had so many things, and y'all, another video will be coming soon of us going through even more junk out of her garage, so make sure that you are subscribed and ring that notification bell because there's so many great things coming and we have an amazing family here and I want you to be a part of it. I'm so grateful for her to give me so many amazing things that they can't use anymore, and her granny has a very special place in my heart. She was a granny to everyone, but she especially was to me and my other brother and sisters. So this is the piece I ended up getting from the yard sale. My mama did it for her granny at one point, and now I'm going to redo it. So stay tuned for a video on that.
Here's my box of baskets. These are cool. They need to be like cleaned up, but look at this little one. Some of these. Oop. No, I need this one for the bathroom. Look, it's like perfect. That'll be a good one to hang. Yeah, there's some good ones in here. The more she found more of what I used in the bathroom too, and then that's Goodwill, so I got to go through that stuff. I always loved this.
I got a lot of great things, and like I said, we still have a whole 2/3 more, or almost a half of what we have to go through in the rest of her garage. So there will be more videos to come, and I'm just excited. I love that yellow thread, and I can't wait to think of what I'm going to do with it, but I've got some ideas. Alright, you all, so I'm here at Goodwill. I'm going to go in here really quick, see if we can find anything good, and I really hope I can find something for her because I can't tell you yet. I'll explain it to you soon. Y'all, I should have known better. I came in here with intentions to only get some items for my friend for this upcoming collab on June 1st. But yeah, that didn't happen. I really didn't need to get anything because you all, there's so much to go through in my garage right now. But new stuff, it's just fun. So I'm going to be doing another video, like I said, on the free finds from Tevis, and then I'll probably do a thrift haul video as well. Split them up for you all, that way it's not 2 hours long. But let me know, what do you think I'm sending her going through all of these things? And I did put some things back, but comment down below. What do you think I might have not kept for myself?
Nana, what is he doing? Let's go get a treat. Come on. What is it? What's in there? What is it? Oh. Go home, get a treat.
got all my plants. Gotta hurry and get them out of the car. Don't want them to die. Got some thyme, lemon thyme, some rosemary. These, what are they called? Salvia? What are they called? I don't know. But so these will bud. And then I got some of these. And these, they look like, oh, that one's already bloomed open. They weren't bloomed. They look like little lanterns. Where's one? Well, there's a different, like, area one we wanted, but we got this one because they were out of the other frosted something. Yeah, so much herbs. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Mama came to help me with this. Y'all, I don't have a green thumb, but I'm really, really trying. She brought some plants from her garden. I'll have to show you all that one day. And then we went ahead and arranged where we wanted things. I also put some holes in the bottom of these planters to help with the drainage. Those are gonna be so pretty.
I hope so. And that'll just keep coming out and falling. Then you got strawberries on this side, and then you got this.
Strawberries.
Yeah. Here's one here.
Oh, yeah.
This. They'll have strawberries and everything.
Yeah, that's a better idea.
Yeah, thank you. This one already has strawberries on it, but I don't know if they'll make it because I dug them out of the ground. I didn't realize it already bloomed.
Guys, what is it doing?
Spiders so much.
I know.
I think Shar and I have come to the conclusion, one reason I hate them, when we would visit my dad's people in Letcher County, we would have to go to an outhouse. So
those
were
were the
in there.
worst.
They were in there everywhere. But at home, our back room was built on a literal crawl space. But our carpet was brown. And so you'd be laying in the floor.
Just get it out, and that's all I'm worried about.
Not interested.
They might have seen fire that day.
Yeah, I can't kill them like with my hands.
No.
'Cause I can't hear the
No
noise.
crunch. Nope. I can't.
So
do
I
any
have
of
to
this.
spray them to death.
Just your hands.
I'm trying to figure out
Do we put those in first?
how you want to do it because they're both fairly big. We can just
Yeah. Catty corner them almost.
Mhm. Yeah, and have that one on that side.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean?
They still be so pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm so excited about my herbs. These are probably one of my favorites.
Isn't that cool? I love it. Fuchsias. That's what they're called.
I want to FaceTime. They could be like, tell Layla I have fairies living in my garden.
They look good.
It happened again. Oh. New plan. Y'all, the planters on the ground were the first thing I saw when I woke up in the morning. It was like the second or third time I had tried to use the command hooks and the little stickies to keep them up. I was trying to make it as renter friendly as possible, but it's okay. I found out another way and it'll be fine. Everything's going to be beautiful once these flowers and herbs get bigger. It's just going to be like a little garden right on my front porch and give me that cottagey, rustic farmhouse vibe that I'm going for, where I can sit out and write in my manifesting journals or just sit and relax with my Nala bear on the porch. Does that not hurt your tongue? Here. Get it, Noah. Eat it. this is how the porch looked. I know it's a work in progress, but I needed something else. So for now, I found something to hang on the ladder. Y'all, I am so in love with my porch. And like I said, once these flowers get bigger and bushier, it's just going to give such a cozy, relaxing vibe. I love my planters. I ended up hanging those up with some twine and tacking them around the wood frame that is around my window. I'm so grateful to my sweet mama for coming here and helping me with this. I love when we can create together or plant together. I cannot wait to show you all her garden one day. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you subscribe and ring that notification bell and share with your friends. We are trying to grow the channel. We're on the road to 1,000 and we are so close to 600 right now. I'm excited to keep creating and making over this rental space, and I just want you all here along for the ride with me. I have thrift hauls coming up, some thrift flips, and I'll have my live sale next Friday with a lot of the thrifted items that you saw in this video and ones that you will see to come. I love you all. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you next time. Bye.
If only just